Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit with Capcut on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut application, and to create or to start editing you just need to go click this new project, and the Capcut application will bring you into your videos, photo and live photos library on your phone. You can use and choosing the video that you want to add or you want to edit. For example, like this part, and after that you just need to go click add. And whenever you already have this video on your phone, now I would like to show you the way how to make a spotlight moving on this video. And the first thing we need to do, you just need to click the clip, and after that you just need to scroll these tools into the left side until you found a mask. And now you just need to choose this mirror, and after that you can pinch and conditioning this to become crossing, and after that you need to pinch it to this part into the other side to make it have similar touch on it, or transparent touch on it. And now we just need to bring this mask into the upper right corner over here, and after that we just need to go bring the straight line into the end of the clip and go click at keyframe, and we need to move the keyframe into the beginning part. Now we need to bring this running into the down part. And now let's take a look on the results. You can see now the spotlight is kind of running by itself from one corner to another corner. So that's the way how to make a spotlight with the Capcut application. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.